During this journey, Gaur Gopal Das Prabhu, he talked about the four wheels of life, right? What are those four wheels? We will discuss about those four wheels. So these four wheels are personal life, relationship, work life, and social contribution. Are you hearing me, friends? My voice is audible? Say thumbs up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Right, cool. So there are four wheels of life: personal life, relationships, work life, and social contribution. So you have to take care of all these four wheels if you want to drive Lexus comfortably. You know, if one wheel is flat, it's gonna be very difficult. You are going to experience the bumpy ride. You are going to experience the camel ride. So if you want to enjoy the smooth ride, these four wheels should have equal pressure, right? If it is required 35, it should be 35, right? So let's talk about these wheels. First is personal life. Personal life, there are four things in personal life. One is gratitude, press pause, spiritual practice, and why worry. Gratitude, right? Gratitude is what? Be thankful for whatever you are having. We keep on complaining all the time. I'm not having this thing, I'm not having this thing, I'm not having that thing. I wish I could have this thing. Right? So look at positive side of every situation. What is positive in it? For example, in this COVID-19, what is positive in it? Right? As in first discussion, Shubhi talked about, got the time to interact with the family more, to develop the bond to the next level, take the bonding to the next level, learn new things, learn new skill sets. If you want to develop some new habits, this is a good time to develop the habits because you are not supposed to have other distractions. So look at the positive sides of every situation. And you know, have you experienced that, you know, whenever you are eating something and something is between your teeth? What happens? What happens?
It hurts.
It hurts?
Irritates.
Irritates? Then what you do? Or what your tongue does?
We pick it constantly.
All the time, the tongue is hitting that particle. That small particle, right? Forgetting about the entire body. So mind is like this, right? Like a tongue, and reaches to the negative side always. Always. Because of that reason only, we are trying to inculcate this habit in this on this platform to talk about positive things first and what could have been better. No negative things. So train your mind to look at the positive side in every situation. It is not the feeling, it is the state of mind. Actually, it is the state of mind. Right? In South Africa, there is one village where the custom is like this. Whenever any boy is reaching to the adulthood and they are trying to marry some girl, what they do, they bring that boy in the middle and they surround that boy and they start lashing that boy. And that boy is having the wound on his entire body. And then the judges, they just go near to that particular boy and they ask, yes, what do you want to say? And in this, he has to say, I'm enjoying this pain, if he wants to marry some girl. So they take this pain very positively. So this pain is nothing, it is not feeling, it is the state of mind. If you start feeling, okay, I'm very much fatigued, I'm not feeling good, you will start mind. So start training your mind. It is having enormous potential, right? So that is the key to remaining positive and happy. Now, when I'm saying you have to talk about positive only, and if some emergency is there and you are saying, oh no, Anand said you have to think positive in every situation, this is good, whatever has happened. You broke your leg, good. No, it doesn't mean like that. It is that if some negative situations are coming, some emergencies are coming, you have to deal with those situations constructively. Right? So last point is this, we should deal with the negative situations constructively. So that is the gratitude. So start jotting down the blessings you have. Believe me, friend, every morning in the world, there are lakhs of people who don't wake up. रात को सोया तो सो ही गया, बस थैंक यू वेरी मच. कितने लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनके शायद कोई रिलेटिव सुबह जिंदा नहीं होता. If you are waking in the morning and you see your family members are with you, your near and dear ones are with you, this is the biggest blessing, friends. So start jotting down the blessings. Try to see the positive things you are having with you. Then you will realize there is nothing to worry. कुछ है ही नहीं. Right? Second is press pause. Press pause is this, that stop and see the positive aspect of your life. Enjoy the journey. Life is a journey. It's not a destination. If you want to achieve a success, you are success. To get a success, it's a process. So enjoy that process. We keep on procrastinating our happiness. Okay, when I will get this thing, then I will be happy. If I'll get this thing, then I'm going to be happy. If I am going to get this thing, then I'm going to be happy. No. While you are in the process of getting something, start enjoying that. Behave like a child. Right? We may miss beautiful moments of the life if we are not enjoying that process. Right? So start saying thank you. It is very difficult to say thank you. Believe me, very difficult. You will not find that people are saying thank you very often. So start saying thank you. If somebody is giving you the bill, thank you. And irony is this, that we keep on saying thank you to strangers and we don't say thank you to our near and dear ones. Mama is doing something, this is her duty. No need to say thank you. On the contrary, you are standing in a queue and somebody is giving you the way, you are saying thank you very much. That too with a smiling. Why so? So start saying thank you. And gratitude is not an emotion, it is the way of life, and can be learned. Yes, start saying thank you, start feeling, blessings, and start working. And spiritual practice. The thing is this, that we are human beings having a spiritual experience, but the reality is we are spiritual beings having the human experience. है ना? ये अभी थोड़ा सा रुक जाओ तुम लोग, थोड़ा और बड़े हो जाओ, फिर इस पे स्पिरिचुअल पे हम लोग बाद में जाएंगे. We'll talk about this thing slightly later stage. But this is very important. Why worry? Why do we worry? Why do we worry? Start writing. Start writing in chat box. Why do we worry? What is the reason for worry?
Human nature.
We think something bad may happen. Human nature. Okay. What else?
might be we are trying to solve the problem by taking it much more like it's a big thing for us or
Okay,
something like that.
okay, okay.
Due to
Something
some
wrong?
norms, and okay, due to some norms, like we may do if we do this and that may happen, or fear
Something
of
wrong may happen, right?
fear of
Right.
criticize,
Mhm.
like fear of
Uh-huh.
getting
Fear of facing
criticized, or
obstacles, right?
yeah,
When our own assumptions and expectations don't come
expectations,
into
yeah.
reality, we may concern about our future. Right, right, right. So the thing is this, there are three situations. One is something which is in your control, something which is not in your control, or something which you can influence. Right. Okay. If there is a problem, right? There is a problem, and if it is it has a solution. Do you think that you should be worrying for that? If you have a problem and there is a solution of that problem, do you think that you should worry for that?
No, sir.
No. Right. And now again, one more thing. There is a problem and it has no solution. There is a problem, but it has no solution.
That
Then
was
also we should not worry.
thinking about this.
So in both the situation, you are not supposed to worry.
Yes, sir.
That most of the time what happens, we keep on creating imaginary problems. And we keep on giving the imaginary solution of that problem. And fortunately, as our mind is trained in that manner that we will talk about negative things only, we are going to give the negative solution. For example, I'm going to have a viva. Yeah, teacher is going to ask me a very tough question of, I'm not going to have the answer of that question. Now he will or she will ask this question. I'm not going to give the answer of another question. And in turn of that, I'm going to get very less internal marks. So the situation is that, okay, so if situation is your control, if yes, you can do something about it, please go for it. Right? As we discussed about in the first, gratitude, we should deal the negative situations, constructively. So if you have some problem and you can do something about it, go for it, do the things. And if no, you cannot do anything about that, no need to worry. Here, Gaur Gopal Das Prabhu, he shared one incident. A few years back, he was giving this presentation to a particular audience, and he was talking about the career choice. And there he talked about that very intelligent people, they opt for engineering and they become engineer, right? Second kind of they go for the business, they go for the IAS, and last backbenchers, right? They go for the politics, or who were supposed to do nothing, they become monk, right? And you can see the kind of money an engineer is making and a monk is making. You can see the difference. So he said this thing, Baba, choose your career very carefully. What do you want to become? And this video went viral. And he was sitting in his ashram, and early in the morning when he got up, he saw that his entire WhatsApp feed, it was filled with the thousands of messages. Gaur Gopal Das, what have you done? Well, what have you done? You were talking about the career things. Number of monks, they were against him. You cannot have this kind of monk. But what happened? He said, this was out of my control. It went viral. Now I cannot do anything about it. But What was the positive in this? That he became very famous after that. And after that only he started making number of videos. And after that only he started giving number of presentations. And now he is having millions viewers. Right? So whatever is happening, you should start thinking about the positive things in that. Right? So far so good? Should we move on or should we stop here? How much time do we have, Ishka?
It is approx 10 minutes, more than 10 even. Yeah, approx 10
Okay.
minutes we can say.
Approx 10 minutes. Okay, so I think it's not going to be possible to cover all other aspects. So what we can do, we can stop here only, and rest of the 3 V's, right? We will talk in the next session. And whatever are your learnings in this session, I will request you to send those things on that WhatsApp group. Right?
Okay.
Not here on WhatsApp group. Right, friends? So today we are stopping here only, and I'm sure that you must have learned few things in this book, and I'll recommend this. It's really amazing, right? It's a must-read book. Keep it with you and keep on reading. There are few more principles in this book, right? I will talk about those principles in the next discussion.